Last Tuesday, an A350 from Japan Airlines collided during landing with the turboprop of the Japanese Coast Guard's Dash 8. We'll explain what happened. The accident took place on January 2nd at Tokyo Haneda Airport as the Coast Guard plane was returning from a 7-hour surveillance mission following an earthquake that occurred the previous day in the country. It was preparing to depart when, after being stationary at the end of the runway for 40 seconds, the rear of the plane caught fire and exploded. It had just been struck by the landing Japan Airlines A350. The three pilots of the A350 felt a violent shock during their landing before losing control of the aircraft on the runway. The ignition of the left engine due to the impact quickly spread significant smoke in the cabin, before engulfing the entire aircraft. But what exactly happened? Control tower recordings show that an air traffic controller did instruct the turboprop pilot to stop at the edge of the runway. The pilot then repeated the order but, in a still inexplicable way, continued and positioned at the end of the runway. The collision resulted in the deaths of 5 of the 6 people on board the Dash 8. While no loss of life is to be lamented among the 362 passengers of the A350, a cat and a dog perished in the hold. This event marks the very first loss